All right, guys, one thing I really want to go over with you is the laser's ability to weld thick to thin members. I know this can be a struggle in real world applications. Something very unique about the laser, because we're using laser instead of an electrical current, is we don't have to overcome that heat sink. So typically, if you were to weld very thick to thin, you're gonna have to focus all of that heat into your thicker member, right, to try to establish a puddle and just try to gradually wash that up into the thinner member as you go along. High skill requirement. With the laser, we're able to set that penetration depth independently of our material thickness. Meaning, if I set the penetration for 24 gauge, it doesn't matter if I'm on 2-inch plate, I'm still getting that 24 gauge depth of penetration. So on a thick to thin, especially an extreme example like this, I'm gonna set my penetration to the razor blade thickness and just weld it in a straight line like normal. All right, we're gonna have the same amount of pen on both members, have a good sound weld without any real possibility of blowing through. All right, so we have obviously a very extreme example of thick to thin here. We're gonna do a 2-inch by 2-inch steel plate to a razor blade. All right, guys, obviously that was a very extreme example of thick to thin welding, razor blade edge to 2-inch plate, but hopefully you saw how simple that was, right? There was no manipulation, no focusing of the heat. We just went in a straight line. Good sound weld, no blow through on the backside. There's not even any distortion on the razor blade. If you're curious of more applications that the laser is a good fit for, head on over to millerwelds.com.